Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to install WordPress on your Namecheap hosting account. Actually, there are two ways to do that. One, if you have the share hosting, and the second, if you have the WordPress hosting. In first step, we will talk how to install or how to set up WordPress in WordPress hosting. It's very simple. You have to go to manage WordPress hosting, and here is the plans of hosting that you can purchase depending upon your requirement. I'm going back and we'll try the free. Here you have to put the payment options, confirm payment. Here you have to put the name of your website, in my case Audic, and you have to select some type. Now you have to select the domain. In my case, I have a domain here in Namecheap, which is familyshopperproduct.co.uk. Click the continue, and now you have to select a theme. You can skip it or you can select a theme. I'm going to select a WordPress storefront theme, which is very popular. Now you have to select the plugin. I'm gonna select WooCommerce, or you may skip this process. Continue. Here is the review of your inputs, and now continue. Now your WordPress website setup is ready, and you can manage this, and you can see the WordPress admin area. Let me open it. Here you can see the admin area of WordPress. So this is one way how to set up WordPress on your Namecheap. Now I'm gonna tell you how to install it in your Namecheap hosting. Here is the admin panel of my Namecheap, and you have to go to domain list, and in domain list you will find the list of your domains. Here in my case, here is the domain, and here you will find icon like hard disk. You have to click it, and in flyout you will find a go to cPanel option. You will have to click here, and then you have to put the username and password of your cPanel and click the login. Here we go. You will find different options here, and here at the bottom you will find WordPress option. Click this and you will find this screen then, and you have to go to this drop down and click the custom installation. You can select the quick as well. In custom installation you will find some more options. Click here, and then you have to select some options like the protocol, whether you are using www or https, then the name of your domain, and then you have to select the directory. If you don't have the directory, then you will put it empty. Here you have to select the version of WordPress. After setting it up, you will click the next, and then you have to select the blog name or your website name, website description, and then the username of your WordPress admin and the password of your WordPress admin. After putting it up, you have to select the next, and then you will select the language from here, and then you have to put the database name and the table prefix name. It's by default. I'm not gonna change it. Click the next, and then you will have to select the themes, and after selection a specific theme, you will have to click this theme and then install the theme. It will take some time, around about 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes, depending upon the size and speed of your internet. After setting it up, you will find this message: congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Then you will have to put the username and password of your WordPress and then log in. After login, you will find such type of interface. Here is the dashboard of the WordPress. You can manage your site, you can manage appearance, plugins, and you can set users. Whatever you want on the WordPress, you can easily do it from here. So this is a way how to install your WordPress on your shared Namecheap hosting. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.